With increasing temperatures and decreasing rainfall and some of the poorest, most nutrient depleted soils in the world, gardening in WA is not easy. When planning your new garden area, think about grouping plants together based on their common water and management requirements. Planting in hydrozones based on the water requirements of your plants means you can then modify your irrigation to suit. High demand areas such as vegetable gardens may require additional hand watering to keep them going through the hotter months. Or look to wicking beds for extra moisture retention. Moderate water demand areas can be met with the twice weekly watering regime. This includes lawns, most fruit trees and feature ornamental plants. Low water demand areas such as established native gardens may only require supplementary watering over the hottest months. For more information on planning your garden and hydrozoning, head to the Geocatch website.